Okay, so we're first look at an IB level question here, and I'm going to go through and kind of talk about what I would do. So I can see it's a chi-squared test, so I'm going to need the totals for everything. I'm going to add them onto here. So the total for the first row is 20, 25, and 22. All right, so 20 plus 25 plus 22. So 67, and I'm just going to add these, and I don't need to make like an official column or anything. 67, and then 18, 48, and 37. 18 plus 48 plus 37. 103. 103. So I can add those two together. 103 plus 67. And my grand total is 170. I also need to add these up. That's 38. That's 60, 73. And that's 49, 59. Okay, and I would double check those. So 38, 73, and 59. 38 plus 73 plus 59 is 170. So I should be good there. So it says right on the total number of number of computer users surveyed. So A is 170. All right, so we got a 5% significance level right on the null hypothesis. So null hypothesis is age and type of computer used are independent. Fill out a little bit here. Make that a little bigger. So there we go. There's our null hypothesis. Using your graphing calculator, find the chi-squared statistic. Okay, so I want to go through and do this, put this into the calculator. So let me get this over here. All right, so matrix A. Edit, matrix A. This is 2 by 3. All right, so 2 by 3. So the first one goes in, the observed goes in. So 20, 25, 22, 18, 48, 37. So there's my observed. And then matrix B needs to also be 2 by 3. Row total, column total, grand total. So 67 times 38 divided by 170. 67 times 73 divided by 170. 67 times 59 divided by 170. 103 times 38 divided by 170. 103 times 73 divided by 170. And 103 times 59 divided by 170. So there's that. So now I'm going to, let me go back to that for a second. Second matrix. I want to get in the habit of dropping these in here so that I can see where I went wrong if I did go wrong. So there's matrix B. I dropped it. It's in there someplace. Stat, test, C. And I'll drop that in there too. All right, so let's see. There's matrix B. So I'll move that up here. There's my chi-squared values. All right, so it says critical value at 5% significance level is 5.99. So state the conclusion for the test, give a reason for your answer. This is normally how this is presented to you. So I can do either a p-value or a chi-square value test. It doesn't matter. I'm going to use a chi. I'll write both of them, all right, but I would probably use a chi-squared value. So I'll say 3.71 is less than 5.99. So we accept the null hypothesis, meaning age and type of computer used are independent. If we did the p-value, we'd say 0.157 is more than 0.05, so accept the null hypothesis, meaning age and type of